Welcome back everyone to yet another Nihil Zero pack opening and the chase for that beautiful Mega Zygarde EX, or as I like to call it, the most Digimon looking Pokemon ever. So other than that, I'm just gonna stop yapping and let's hope we get a Digimon. And that does not look like a Digimon to me, but did we at least add some new cards to the collection? And nope, we are on such a dry streak right now. It's making me a tad bit frustrated, but still, 67% completion. Let's go.